on three wheels.
On three wheels?
Already.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis and we got Daniel out here on his 4th Gen Tacoma. We're getting into the sticky stuff, so we're gonna have a fun time out here in our local Maricopa trails right before the storm hits, if it does, but it's hot out here. So let me spot him real quick to get him through this little obstacle, and then we got this big rock garden up here, so let's have some fun. Damn, boy, here are you lifting?
That's what I'm saying.
Jeez, dude. All right, I think it'll level out. It'll level out once you just go straight. I think you're gonna have a little bit of lift, but you should be fine right there. Just going straight. Yeah, ride the lift, yeah. And just straight through. Yeah, you're level now. All good. And then just watch that rock on your driver's side. You should be fine. Yeah, he's chilling.
And yes, my locker's on this time.
Yeah, his locker's on this time. Hey, Jason did the same thing last weekend.
Did he?
He's all posted up on a rock and it's spinning. I'm like, is your locker on? He's like, no. All right, so this is what we're working with. We got a big boulder field out here, a little rock garden. Pretty simple if you want to make it simple. A little bit more fun if you want to have some fun. And then once you get up to the top up here, there's going to be another obstacle also. Those rocks are tiny. All right, guys. The camera overheated when I was spotting Daniel, which is kind of a bummer. But I'm gonna let the camera cool down a little bit, and then we're gonna hit some more of this trail, some more rock gardens, and a couple obstacles up here. So we're gonna cool off. It's 91 degrees, but it monsooned last night, which made it super muggy. And yeah, this new camera just in 4K does not like being hot. So we're gonna hang out here for a little bit and then rip up to this other obstacles. So it's been fun, pretty sick. The 37s make everything so easy. Oh, yeah, trailing arm. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. I want to back up a little bit. Just go driver. Go driver. Forward driver. Crank it, driver. Money. Crawl it. There it is. Now, keep that line right there. Keep that line right there. Yeah, brother. Perfect. You dodged your rear axle. Good shit. Little rock right there, yo. That's it. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Very nice, very nice. That's it. Hell yeah. Boom. Alright guys, we're almost to the top of the hill. Right there, right where this guy is right here. Almost at the top of the hill, but the camera keeps dying. But we're going to hit some stuff right here real quick.
All right, so we gotta watch this power line right here.
Might hit the bumper too.
Let's find out. Oh, yeah, you're gonna hit it. Keep creeping, keep creeping. Oh, yep, you hit it. It's all the way on it.
Oh, we're gonna fuck the street. How's the roof line with this lucky power line?
You're good. Look, making that look
Wow,
easy.
what the hell?
Made that look easy, bro.
What the hell?
Yeah, this is the sketch part. Oh, dude, that was a weird wheel stutter. You see that?
Yeah, well.
This part's super sketch because it goes down hard left. And he's heavy and high. Cliffs on both sides. If you guys ever wheel with Curtis, be prepared to have some cojones. Check out this view though. Damn. It's just a cliff, dude. Don't worry about it. You'll be alright.
I got OnStar.
Fucking upside down. Great OnStar ad.
I'm not going left, I'm gonna go straight. No. Nah, we're gonna go left.
I should go straight and go down the other side. Well,
Yeah.
this shit's tight as fuck.
Alright everybody, I'm surprised we did not hit the camper on the power line, because last time I was here, I mean I did do it solo with 35s, the smart cap and the FSR tent. I felt like I was pretty dang close, but with the GFC, the 37s, and the super high clearance DV8 front bumper, I scraped it a little bit. Pretty good actually in the front skid plate, but that's all good, you know, it is what it is. I'm gonna relax a little bit, let the camera cool off, and hang out, because dude, it's just so hot out here. The camera keeps dying and everything. We're gonna go fly a drone, Danny's drone, so make sure to check out his YouTube channel, Dirt Remedy Off-Road. I'll throw it up here. He'll have the other POV to this video, but yeah, we're gonna kick it, relax a little bit, cool off, and then keep on ripping. All right guys, we just made it up this hill. It's called Helix Hill Climb out here in Maricopa, and Danny is giving me the keys to the Tacoma, and we're gonna give an honest opinion about this hill climb up this thing, and I'm excited. So we're a Tacoma guy for right now, so I'll give you guys my honest opinion. Let's hit it.
You're good, keep going.
Trailing arm, dude. What the heck? Honestly, Tacoma ripped. Like, I don't know, it's got the power, it's got the traction. The only downside with a trailing arm vehicle or a linked vehicle is just grinding on the shock, which is kind of weird that the shock is angled towards the rock, but
Both sides.
on both sides too. You'd think they'd flip it and put the actual mount the other way, but
Yeah, because that side's hit pretty hard too.
yeah. But other than that, she rips. I'm very impressed, and it feels good. Like, it's got the power. It didn't really spin that much, but
Just need bigger tires.
yeah, he needs bigger tires. He needs some 37s. But I feel like maybe like if you got 37s, it would feel a little bit underpowered, because that's how my truck
feels. 35s needs the
sweet
spot.
37s feels like 35s crawled better, like up things, because the power's there and everything. But I don't know. I'm impressed. What do you think? Did I do good?
Yeah. I think it's good.
I think it did pretty good.
Weird seeing my truck not be in it.
It looks nice though, right? When you watch someone else do it. Yeah. Oh, sorry, Danny, about your shock.
It happens.
Maybe I can get you a discount on some shock skids.
Yeah, I could use a lot of skids on this truck.
Hell yeah. So we're gonna keep on going. We're gonna go down a hill right here and then make it over the waterfall. It's getting hot, and I'm surprised the camera hasn't overheated yet. So let's get to it. Perfect. Yeah, brother. Yeah, that's it. Great. Good. Go. Yeah. All right, everybody. We got down to the end of the trail. I had to take my shirt off because I was so sweaty, because it is super hot right now. But Danny did awesome with his 4th gen. He let me drive it, and that was a fun time. Honestly, super impressed with the 4th gen. Besides like the ground clearance issues with the trailing arms and the shocks and everything, but other than that, she wheeled pretty good. Come check out the trail damage real quick. We kind of did a number on some things. All right, so starting up front, we did smash the DV8 bumper pretty dang good. You know, just a little spray paint and little hammer will do the job. I did run into a boulder, so that is my fault. That's not the bumper's fault. So, you know, you gotta, you know, make sure to take the right lines, but whatever, it is what it is. We'll just paint that up. Fender flare's still ripping off right now. Need to readjust that and whatever. Sliders, a couple times on the sliders, nothing too bad today. Mostly the front bumper was the thing. I think on the rear bumper we did hit it a little bit. We skimmed it a bit. Trailer hitch skid did great. Use code Downtime. Lost full caps to get all these goodies for you guys. DV8 parts, bumpers, sliders, DV8 hitch skid, and then we're doing the ARB air compressor mount pretty soon. Got some good feedback on that, and people seem to love it. But truck did good. Wheeling 4th gen was pretty dang sick. Shout out to Danny, go watch his video. He also has a video going up on this. It's gonna be like a rig review on that 4th gen Tacoma. And yeah, truck did great today. Also guys, if you guys are interested in any of these trails that I do and go on, I go camping, wheeling, camping, all that stuff, you can actually join my YouTube partner program. It's called Homies. It's right next to the subscribe button. You can push join. It's like $3 a month, with is like a cup of Starbucks coffee a month. Nothing too crazy to help me out, but that's up to you guys. I mean, I'll just give you guys the trails and everything through that, and you can have some fun out here. And we are going to start doing some trail meetups and subscriber hangouts, camp trips and everything. So if you're in that, you're invited. So, but yeah guys, it was a fun time out here in some of my local trails. The scenery is beautiful. I do wish it was a little bit cooler, because it is hot. Can't wait till the winter time, do some snow camping, some fun cold adventures. But that's about it for this week's video, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the like button. Once you hit the like button, you can hit the hype button also, which helps small creators like me grow and expand to make sick videos for you guys. But that's about it guys. Love you. Peace out. Bye.